How to turn on incognito mode on YouTube. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on incognito mode easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do to turn it on is go to YouTube. Now this is the home page. As you can see, this is the normal mode. Now all what you have to do is go to the top corner and click on your profile picture here, and you will find many options right here. Choose turn on incognito here, click on it and you will be turning it on. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.